University Innovation Technologies Club, well known as RU-ITECH, was founded by two alumni, Bagre Sri and Godfrey Njoroge, who believe that for all individuals possessing tech skills would get an edge to whatever field one is in. Today, RU-ITECH has opened its doors to teach other students code in their 30-day code challenge. As a club inspired by technology, they provide innovative programs for students by students, and in recent years, the club has grown to form a community of solution-driven individuals and now even shaping more to enhancing coding skills, which will be essential as they expound their options in their future careers such as web developing and others. With us is Gideon Kiplangat, the former director of RU-ITECH and a current advisor of the committee. Kiplangat recently initiated 30-day code challenge and is urging students to join. This is what he had to say.
My name is Gideon Kiplangat. I'm a student doing computer science, and actually I was the former director of administration in the RU-ITECH, and currently now I'm under the advisory committee, whereby I do serve to advise the current leadership. And then sometimes when the current chairperson, sometimes the chairperson is working somewhere, so sometimes she's not around doing some of the activity that he or she is supposed to do in the RU-ITECH. So sometimes he delegates some responsibilities to me, so that I represent her as a chairperson. Currently, I can say that in the current generation, I can say that it's of more helpful that each one of us learn coding, and not only that the computer science student, even the law student, even the other, for example, the business. You can do for business. If you are doing business, you can do the what that's called unit called statistics. You can file handling with coding. What you call, whereby you can just try to analyze the data. That's normally data science. Normally analyze the information that you have using coding. Yeah. So it's more helpful even in different sectors, not only that in computer science. Yeah. It's welcoming for everyone, so you don't have to be just somebody doing computer science. We welcome everyone, because even in the last session, we had someone who was a lecturer, who was the lecturer at Riara University. So she was doing 30 days of code in Python, and we learned together. And there's someone also doing IR, we are together, we're learning 30 days of code. If for joining the club, what I can say is that it's simple. It is normally happen at every semester. When first years are joining the campus, it's more for first years to know about what we have the club. We have the club, is how it exists. So for you to join the club, you need to pay the membership fee of 200 shillings, which is normally paid once in every semester. So every semester you have to pay the membership fee. This will help us to facilitate some of the activity that we do in the RU-ITECH. Okay, for the future plans that we have for the club, what I can say is that since in one way or the other, I'm here sometimes when I say earlier, when the chairperson, she's not around, I sometimes help her to facilitate some of the activities that she has to do. So what I can say is that I understand her future plans for the club, and that's why I always do to ensure that, okay, this is achieved. For instance, she had a plan to have the Riara University, RU-ITECH, to be a center of coding in Python. Yeah. And then another thing is that to be a place where we can learn the cyber security. Yes, that's all the two key things that she wanted to have it in RU-ITECH. Yes, that's what we are planning, to ensure that we always achieve this, and to help other students, because we know that there are some people who are interested in cybersecurity and they don't have a place to actually implement what they have or what skills that they have learned. And then the same case to coding in Python, because I can say that for information that Python is now becoming the most used language in coding. Yeah.
I am your reporter Joyce Ngodo of RUTV.